Well, hello guys, this is another guide. I'm gonna talk about Resto Shamans this time. So let's start from talents. Some people play with Acuity, which is actually a PvP talent, and with Essential Swiftness. Now, for those two talents, uh, you can take Focused Insight and Telluric Currents. Focused Insight is mostly when you're putting down your healing rain. You put shock spell on the boss or the mob, depends, and then you put healing rain down. The lure currents is for getting mana back with your lightning bolt, plus you have a mana tide totem for it, so you can get it pretty fast. Now, for the glyphs, those are prime glyphs: Riptide, Red Living Weapon, and Water Shield. For major, be sure you use Healing String Totem and Healing Chain Heal, and Healing Wave you can replace with Stone Cloud Totem or whatever you like. And those three, this is just what I'm using. Now, for the rotation, it's pretty simple. You have Riptide, Healing Wave, rarely used. Greater Healing Wave, Chain Heal, Cleaning Spirit is your Dispel. Earth Shield, you gotta always keep it on tank, and Healing Surge just in case that you have to heal really fast, but it's not really that much useful. And Healing Rain, you gotta keep it all the time down when you're in raid. For your weapon, you're using Earth Living, and you gotta keep your Water Shield up. Your cooldown is Spirit Link Totem. Just be sure when you're putting it down that you're putting it on the place where the raid is, because you gotta be on that place. You see, just like this. Now it has to be, you have to be near the group to pop it. So shamans are really aggressive heals, and you have to not be afraid of losing mana. So let's try this and see how it looks like. For stats, you need like 12.5 to 13% haste, and the rest reforges to mastery. With this amount of haste, you won't have problems healing anything. Just you will later need more gear, and that's it. Then you will start having more mana, and yeah. Those are totems using for healing, pretty much. You gotta keep your healing rain down all the time. Then you can put Earth Shock on the target, and this is how you should really heal in the raid. Now I don't have anyone here to show you, but this is how fast you actually gonna lose mana, or just that's normal for shaman that you're gonna lose mana like this. Now if you have 2 set from Dragon Soul, and you know, you get buff when you put totems down, this buff, Spiritual Stimulus, that buff actually is bugged on Warmane, so you can just spam your totem as many times as you want every 15 seconds, and you can have it all the time, so you don't lose that much mana. The other thing is, if you have a 4 set from Dragon Soul, try to use it only for getting mana back. So that would be like this. Now you pop 4 set and you're getting mana back with your lightning bolt. Try to use shock spell every time before healing rain, because it reduces cost of a spell for 75%. And that's pretty much it for the shaman. You have nothing else. You have like nature swiftness, which is actually just instant spell cast. Just use it when tank is low. And healing surge is not really useful. It is fast heal, but it costs more than greater heal. Costs less than greater healing wave, but you can heal more with greater healing wave. And that's pretty much it for Resto Shamans. You guys just have to manage your cooldowns, your trinkets, your pots, whatever you use. And that's it. Hope this gonna help you.